Hey everybody, how y'all doing? How's everybody doing? It is me, Andy Joe. We're here in Ventura, California, which is about 45 minutes north of Los Angeles. I think it's still considered Southern California, this area. I don't know, I think so. We call ourselves SoCal, maybe. And we're here at Hobo Jungle. They have a bird estuary here, the brackish water where the river comes from Ojai down and meets the ocean. And so this little interface of salt water and fresh water is a kind of a unique spot which houses a lot of birds and stuff like that. It's called Hobo Jungle because we have a large transient homeless population here, and they all hang out here and have little tents and stuff like that. So we'll probably see a little bit of that too as we take our tour, another tour in Ventura, California with the Super73 S2 Hudson Blue, baby. I got this tricked out with the Bose Bluetooth speaker. Hey buddy. Some saddlebags. I have no idea who that guy was. My phone holder. Got some little fancy handlebars. Got my horn. You hear the horn? Right. There's the horn, as loud as freak. Very loud. I got my ammo box for storage down below. Cup holder for the Bose. What else did I do to this thing? I haven't changed the light. I'm tempted to change the light. I don't really need to. I think that's about it. Oh, and I changed my crank, my chain ring. Chain ring is now a 48 tooth instead of a, I think it's 30, is it 32 or 36? I can't remember. I think it's a 32 tooth, the stock. I made it bigger, get a little more torque, a little more push when you're pedaling. Haven't changed the crank arms yet. I don't know if I will bother with the crank arms because my knee, you see my knee's already going up here. I don't need them to go higher, right? It doesn't really make it feel any better, I don't think. So we're just taking a ride. It is a beautiful day. It is so freaking nice out, and this thing is so fun to ride. I'm usually in mode 2 or mode 4, and I just like to ride it with pedal assist 2, and I'm happy-go-lucky, man. I love this thing. It's fat, juicy. I got this nice custom seat that I get. Everyone's asking about this damn seat. You get the seat at Etsy. There's no like one place. There's a number of like upholstery guys that make these things. So you just get one, and they're like I want to say it was 100, maybe it was 150, and that's it. So that's all there is to it. A little bike shop here. They do not like electric bikes much. They were kind of not really all that friendly when I asked them some questions. They do rent them though. They rent some bikes, and that's the thing now, right? Is all these bike shops don't want to deal with electric bikes, but they'll rent you a bike for 40 bucks for an hour. They'll rent you a damn electric bike, that's for sure. I don't know what they're doing. What's going on with them? I don't think they know what's going on. There's no stop there. Are they gonna turn? Who knows, dude? It's kind of weird. No, that is supposed to be back there, not here. Whatever. Whatever. Whatever, dude. I love riding this damn thing. Just fun. I haven't really taken it to do errands. Like I want to take it to go to the mall or something like that. But to be honest, I don't know if I just don't trust people, man. I've had my stuff stolen so much in my life. Even with the big kryptonite $100 chain I have, and all this stuff, and taking off the battery pack, and whatever I could do to make this thing not stealable. I'm nervous about it. That's just it. I just don't want to risk it. So, entonces, I haven't done it. What up? So this is the old part of Ventura. This is the original part. This is not Tortilla Flats. Tortilla Flats is back there where I live. But this is kind of like, they call it the Avenue because the main street, this is Olive, but the main street is Ventura Avenue. And so they just call it the Avenue. And this is kind of the older part of town. It's, you know, more low income, more minority based, primarily Latino, Mexicans like myself live in this area. You can tell by all these little small houses and shops and stuff, and that's kind of like what this is about. Midtown, a little bit more to the east, a little more affluent, and then even farther east is kind of the newer developments, which to me looks just like Camarillo or someplace close by. Speaking of close by, there is a guy who lives in Oxnard that says we need to ride. So, brother man, you in Oxnard, if you're watching this video, shout out to me. We need to connect to me somehow, DM me on Twitter. I don't know how. Get a hold of me. I'm not that hard to find. My email's all over the place. Reach out to me and let's set it up, because I think that'd be fun to just like set up a ride together. I don't have a way to haul this bike places, so I couldn't haul it to Oxnard to meet you, but we can meet somewhere in the middle, or if you want to haul yourself down to here, that would work too. But I would love to do a little like double ride. I think that would be fun. I'd be all about that. So I want to create a Ventura County electric bike crew. You know, we don't have to have just Super73s. There could be other stuff. We'll let the other brands in. We're not going to be exclusive yet. I do know another guy who rides it. I know there's some Onyx guys. There's one Onyx guy I met. I think there's another one that lives here in town. But the problem with those guys is like they go so fast, right? Like I'm like hauling ass at 30 to try to catch up to them. You know, they can go 60. So I don't know how much fun that'll be riding Onyxes with Super73s and not just constantly trying to like match them. So I don't know. Well, that's a cool bike. I do like motorcycles now that I have this. I would be tempted. I guess if I really want to get a motorcycle, I just get an Onyx, right? Just do that. It's cheaper, and it's basically, that's what it is, just an electric version. So if I do go that route, that's what I would do. There's just a range thing, right? With the Onyx, I think still you could only go a range of like 60 or so miles. Whereas you get a motorcycle, you know, you can like fill it up. You can keep going. So that's what would be nice about that. And those things are damn heavy. They're 150 pounds. They're double this. It's too heavy to carry, that's for damn sure. Or like lift up some stairs. You can't do that. At least I can't do that. Ooh, mama. This is elementary school, Foster, EP Foster. Don't know much about it. You know, it's a school. Woo! The wind's picking up. Wind's picking up. No bueno for me. This is Ventura Avenue, so we're gonna hit here the main strip. You'll see a lot of Mexican restaurants, little 99-cent stores, and stuff like that. They actually have a cool library though. They have like an old school building that they use as a library. It's very small, but it's kind of cool looking. Okay, let's see if I can pull this off. Ooh. I'm wearing my cowboy hat today, so this wind, I'm going against this wind pretty bad. It's not really working for me, so I'm gonna have to probably go back on Olive Street and ride the rest of the way back that way, because this wind is killer. I didn't think about that. It does get windy here. I don't know what it is, but Ventura gets freaking windy. Let me turn on Sunny Way. Okay, let's get back. I've never been down the street. I like these little homes though. They're kind of cool. They're like a little small. They're probably like 2-bedroom little places. Probably cost way too much. Am I at a dead? Oh man. This is why I've never been on this street. It's just not a thorough street. Well, guess what? That's why. Let's get going. Let's go back up. Big nibbit. Try this again. Woo! My gosh. It's windy. Coming at you hard. Okay. Let's try this one. Any of you guys watch Formula One? There's a Netflix show called, I think it's Need for Speed or Drive to Win or something like that, about Formula One. It's 3 seasons out. I watched it. I was really getting into it to the point where I actually am starting to watch it now for real. So now on Sunday mornings, I'll watch freaking Formula One. Like, I'm into it. I know the players. I know the cars and the teams and the championship. And I have to give it up to Netflix. Netflix has got me into freaking Formula One. So crazy. It did. And it's actually pretty cool. I like the strategy of it and all. I mean, not just being fast, but your team having the strategy about tires and when to pit, all that kind of stuff. What is going on here? Just trying to go. Oh, you want me to go? Okay. Gracias, thank you. See, the great thing about a nice Stetson hat like that I have, this little cowboy hat, is you could fit in with the cowboys, but you can also fit in with the Latinos, because the Mexicans be doing that too. What does this guy got? Yeah, brother, he's got some kind of a little get up. I don't know what that was. So you can actually do both. You could do both races, man. Do the white boy, the freaking cowboys, but the Tejanos and Latinos, like even my dad, who's from Culiacan, they got the cowboys too, man. They got the Stetsons. So, you know, I fit in, dude. I fit in. Well, I speak Spanish too, that helps. So I can be like, Patrón, epa patrón, aquí estamos. ¿Cómo estamos, compadre? They're like, what is this white boy talking, man? Simón. Sí, Simón. Simón. Dumb. Cool bike, I tell you, dude. There we go. You had your tour of at least a portion of the avenue. We really didn't get into all the spooky, sketchy spots. Maybe we need to do that at nighttime. But there you go. That's it. Now it's time to go have lunch, I think. So this is Patagonia. Little Patagonia right there. So thanks for watching, guys. Quick little video. Have a good one. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, folks.